called Duran Stinky.
ចុងខែហ្នឹងមានម្សៅ
Smell like
ចុងខែហ្នឹងមានម្សៅ
Albert,
Father God.
what's it taste like and what's it smell like?
It smells like hell and tastes like heaven. We're just about to taste it right now. It's fresh cut of the tree, and the tree just right down there.
ចា៎
និយាយស្ទើរតាពេលខ្ញុំមកប្រហែលមុននេះ
She's
ពេញ
brave.
ទុំ
បាទ
I see it on like TV when they're doing that. They wear like these mesh gloves.
Oh no, she knew exactly
Well,
where
not only that, but
to put
that's
her knife.
spiky.
She knew it.
The
Yeah, I touched it in the
No glow or
Oh
whatsoever.
wow! Look at that.
And she's gonna put in
ប៉ុន្តែ
there.
គ្នាបើសិនអស់គ្នាអង្គុយអត់សិនល្អ
ចាអង្គុយសិន
បា
ទៅ
ច់សិនលើឡាន
Not that
ហូ
in.
ងខ្ញុំនៅក្រោយអត់តុកខ្ញុំនៅក្រោយចេញហូងខ្ញុំនៅក្រោ
អង្គុ
យ
យលេង
What can grow eh?
នេះតែលើតុកក្នុងហ្នឹងអង្គុយលេងបានតែ
អត់ទេយើងចង់មើលយើងចង់មើល
តរេនទៅ
អ្នកដែលបច្ចេកទេសកាត់នោះហើយ
អូ
មាន
កាត់អីទៀតបើប្រាប់ថាចុងដៃឲ្យអស់ហើយយោ
មាន
មាននៅលើ
អត់
ដើ
មាន
ម
ពាក់ស្រោមដៃអត់អីទៀត
It's pointy.
អូ Shop like a thorn. Look at that. Whew.
Wow, that's fresh.
Miss Vereda, it's better than tarantula.
Okay.
Look at that.
It's not very big, is it? That's
Well,
just
because
the
this
one
one is
side.
a
But
small
the
one.
flavor is
It's a
boom.
baby, Suni.
You should
It's
see
just
one
baby.
a
the
better.
big one like this.
Small one is better than big one. Okay,
This one lot
I
meat
smell it.
lot more.
Now you
tender,
start smell it.
sweet.
So is this the end of the
I'm not a
season?
big
Yeah. អានឹងចុងដៃហ្នឹងមែនទេ
ចា
ហើយពេលណាមកទៀត
Yeah.
អឺដូចជាបើមិននិយាយទៅយើងអត់ច្បាស់អាវគ្គ3នេះសាច់យើងបាន10ថ្ងៃវាប្រហែលជាចុងខែនោះឬដើមខែ7
នឹងមិនចាប់ផ្ដើមទៀត
You know what? It's
មិន
not
មានទី
as
ទូចទេក្នុងវគ្គ3ហ៎
super sweet, but like I said,
ក្នុង
it's
គេខុសដល់ទេហ្នឹងណា
អញ្ចឹងពីខែ7ខែ8ទៅអស់ហើយណា
ចា
if you're not into custard
Oh.
texture, this is not.
Well, at the end of the season
Right now.
right now
Well, then in that case, I'll give it a try.
oh you better
Last time I didn't try it
Yeah.
because there
Is
was.
it better than the tarantula?
I'll give it a try.
otherwise 2027 you're going to fly back
Huh?
very good
just for this
not so strong
អ
smell
ញ្ចឹងខែប្រហែលដែលយើងត្រូវមក
Yeah, this one, you know what, this is terrible because
It's not so small.
I've
So
been to
strong
where
smell.
I've smelled it where
if
it's
you
like
like
it makes you want to.
this one
this
And
one
this one is
ripe
not because
more
it's
ripe
fresh.
yeah more ripe and
I think that's what it is because it's fresh.
oh yeah
Khmer, the
ឆ្ងាញ់
Khmer.
ឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់
អឺទុំទៅទុំថ្ងៃហ្នឹងឯងទុំកាត់
oh just ripe
កាត់
today
មកប្រមាញ់
get two maybe enough
We just want one.
one okay
yeah, so that one and this one is like
smell the
right
whole-
But we're
between
not
Yeah.
taking it inside.
Oh, we're not.
We're gonna eat it
We're
here.
gonna eat it here.
Yeah. No.
Okay,
Can you imagine
that-
smelling
that-
it all the way to Siem
Last
Reap?
time we were
You
on
will
Siem
throw
Reap,
up.
yeah.
said,
អូ
"Oh,
ខ្លា
No.
ចមុនតែតាមតែចេះពីពីដី
I
ទៅស្អី
smelled
ពី
the
នេះពុះ
perfume because they brought it
my-
in. The
oh
van
my
smelled
God.
like it. The hotel room smelled
No.
like it. And it was like, wake up, it's Duran, go
If
to sleep.
you-
she learned from her husband
Like the hotel
he the
in
one
Siem
who
Reap, they said
teach
that
her how to
they have
cut
to
this
Oh,
use
yeah?
no drag,
Look at that.
no,
yeah don't you
wow
Oh my goodness! Look how big
What's hubby
that
doing
is.
today?
hmm?
What's hubby
Wow.
doing today?
oh yeah
one you just see that
อันนี้มีโกนหมาได้
ខ្ញុំកូនបួននេះ
oh my goodness she have 4 children
Yeah?
Wow.
It's got seeds inside.
There's a big seed. I wonder if I can take it. Oh, you can't because custom will get me.
Yeah.
Customs.
Dang it!
I was gonna take some Cambodian cherry.
You can buy it at H Mart.
They call it Java.
Once in a while they
Oh,
have
you're
this.
right. I
Yeah.
can.
They have jackfruit also.
Okay. I have jackfruit. I actually have a jackfruit plant that
I know, but
I grew
no
from-
fruit.
Yeah, no fruit. I gotta.
មកឡូវតាមខាំមកឡូវ
មិញទាំងមកមិញអត់ត្រូវបកសាច់តា
បកសាច់
ចង់វានេះអញតិចវាឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់
Okay. Can we take it to the table and try it?
yeah table over there we can just sit
Where
down
we have it.
Okay,
Okay, which
Maroy.
table?
Over there.